Here we have a 1929 Ford Model A two-door sedan street rod. Now, as you can see, this is not your normal run-of-the-mill Model A street rod. This car was professionally built to an extremely high standard. Look at the paint, for instance. And I promise you the paint, even it looks great in the video here and pictures, it's even nicer in person. Very nicely built with high quality components. You see you've got the chrome drop axle, front end, independent shocks. This car's nicely equipped too. You've got, excuse me, as you can see, you got electric fan in there. You've got tri-power sitting on top of this 350 Chevy motor. But check this out. It's also got air conditioning. Nice quality set of headers. Notice there's no burn marks on them or anything like that. Very nice. This is an all steel body. No fiberglass here, guys. Very few miles on this build. You see the custom touch here with the ribbed roof. And again, notice the reflection in the paint. Absolutely top-notch paint job on this car. There's the fuel filler. Also take a look under here. Got a quick change rear end. Coilover shocks adjustable in the back there as well. Car does have door poppers on and it does work. Get a look at the inside here. Again, very high quality build. See the bottom of the door, super solid, no issues there. You got tilt steering wheel. You got automatic with overdrive in this car. Console overhead with power windows, your stereo controls, among other things. Custom headliner. These bucket seats are super comfortable. They're way better than any bench seat you get in any other street rod. Look at the back seat. It is a bench, but it's set up like a bucket with a console. As you can see, that console does open. Seat belts all the way around, so if you're taking the kids out, they'll be safe as well. All right, let's fire this up. This car, by the way, has less than 200 miles on it since it was built. It does have electric fuel pump as well. Take a listen. If that doesn't shout street rod, I don't know what does. Oh, also the power antennas spliced in up there. Very nice job. Shut it off so you can hear the rest of the video. You can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, trades are always considered and financing is available as well.